Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender 5.1 how to merge objects. So as example, I will add another object, cube, and then you can move like to the green axis. Now if you want to merge these two objects, first we can use the join tools. Okay, you can select the all objects and the next go to objects and then click joins, or you can press Ctrl J to join the object. So it will be join or merge between these two objects. And if you want to set the origins to center point, you can go to objects and then set origins. You can set origins to geometry, so it will be moved into the center of these two objects. And if you want to separate the objects, you can go to edit mode. The next, you can click one of vertex and press L buttons to link. Now you can separate and going to the mesh menu, click pay to separate and you can choose the selection. And the next you can go back to the object mode. So it will be separate between the two objects. I will select again the two objects and then you can join the objects, and to separate you can go to edit mode, select one vertex of objects and use L to link, and the next you can go to mesh, separate and choose the selection. After it, go back to the object mode. So that's it for basic Blender 5.1 how to merge objects.